Hello, my name is Ava Douglas, and I'm here to share some helpful, quick tips with you to keep your art room or your classroom organized, allowing kids to be able to get their materials more quickly and get started right to work. So I am an art teacher, but I've taught other grades like kindergarten and first grade, as well as third grade. And so I am sharing with you some quick tips. And so one thing that I do when it comes to sorting crayons and things like that, I like to sort those for the kids so that way they have more time to spend working instead of time having to look and dig and try to find a color. What I do for them is I label my shelves, and with the materials that they need, I use pictures as well as words for those students who struggle with being able to read. And I do love being able to sort things in a way that they can easily pick them up. So like on my shelf that has pencils and colored pencils, I do have all the pencils in a box where they can pick those up quickly. I even have my erasers inside of a ice tray, and that's very easy to find. And then I do have colored pencils right down here that are also sorted by color. So I do try to sort them so that kids can find things much easier. In the art room, we get the opportunity to use crayons in more than one way. A lot of times we draw with them on the tip, but there are other ways in which we can use them as well. So what I've done is I've sorted the crayons by color inside of this tray. It's like a tackle box or anything, a quick organization box that I just picked up at Walmart. And I took all of the I tell the students they're necky crayons, but I do take the papers off and then I will sort them by color, and I only do just a few colors that I know for sure they're going to use. I use the primary colors, secondary colors, along with pink, black, and white. And also I do have to throw the peach color in there as well so that the kids are able to find the colors very quickly and then put them away. But like I said, when we use crayons, we use it more than one way. Yes, we write with them like you normally write, but we also lay them down on their side. And when the students are able to color with them flat, and then they can cover a bigger space or a wider space, and it also adds texture. So the kids are able to do it that way. So I do like being able to sort all of our things like that. I also keep all of the markers sorted as well by color in some type of basket so they don't have to dig through and find them. But that is a quick and easy tip, and I hope you are able to use it in your classroom, whether it's in a general ed class or just an art class.